Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to sharing some ideas for crochet cap design. I love crocheting caps because they are so versatile and can be customized to fit any style. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Simple beanie. This is a great option for beginners. Just use the worsted weight yarn and simple stitch pattern like single crochet or double crochet. You can add a fun pom-pom on top for extra flair. Textured beanie. For more textured look, try using a yarn with lot of different colors or a yarn with a unique stitch pattern. You could also add some cables or bubbles for extra interest. Ribbed beanie. Ribbed beanies are always a classic choice. They are perfect for winter and can be dressed up or down. Use a bulky weight yarn for cozy feel. Beanie with a twist. If you are looking for something a little more unique, try a beanie with a twist. This could be a beanie with a fun design like a cat or a unicorn, or it could be a beanie with a different shape like clutch or baker boy cap. Crochet air warmer. Air warmer are a great way to keep your eye or ears warm on a cold day. They are also a quick and easy project to make. Just use a worsted weight yarn and simple stitch pattern. I hope these ideas give you some inspiration for your next crochet cap project. Be sure to share your project with me on social media. I can wait to see what you create. I hope this video will help the beginners. Viewers, here are some additional tips for crochet cap design. Use a yarn that is soft and comfortable to wear. Use a yarn that you like and that will match your wardrobe. If you are a beginner, start with a simple design. There are many free crochet cap patterns available online. Once you have mastered the basics, you can try more complex design. Be creative and have fun. Crocheting is a great way to express your personal style.